Attention online affiliate marketers. Here at Create a New Life Online, we specialize in helping new and struggling affiliate marketers boost and grow their affiliate marketing business online by providing organic digital courses that attract your laser target audience when applied. By using this new proven operating system, you have the potential to be in a position to earn passive income while you're off social media. The owner, William Watson, of Create a New Life Online, offers an easy-to-use formula with detailed training for your affiliate marketing business for those that like doing it themselves or for those who want to be guided and instructed by the CanLo Partner Program instructor to the finish line using this process. The training will help generate organic free leads and sales without using paid ads to the products or services you provide by drawing in your laser-targeted audience on social media your business attracts. Learn more and see what testimonies are saying by clicking here, enjoywhatyoudoo.info. Create a new life online and enjoy what you do. Click the link in the description or comments.